In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Shopify product links, whether you're promoting a new arrival, answering a customer question, or posting on social. Having the exact product link ready saves time and sends people straight to the item they want. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is the secure dashboard where you manage everything in your store. Once you're in, we're heading directly to the place that lists all your items so you can grab the link without hunting around. Next, go to Products. You'll find it in the left-hand menu. This opens your full catalog so you can quickly scroll or use the search bar to locate the item you want to highlight. Now, click the product you want to share. That takes you into the product's detail page where you manage its title, description, images, pricing, and availability. We're not changing anything here. We're just grabbing the link you'll use publicly. Scroll down to the search engine listing section. This area shows how your product appears on search engines and importantly displays the product's storefront URL. It's the public link customers will see based on your domain and the product's handle. Think of it as the official address of that product on your site. Copy the product URL shown in the preview. Make sure you select the entire link, starting with HTTPS, so it works correctly everywhere you share it. A quick tip: don't copy the admin page address from your browser's bar. That one is just for you inside Shopify. The link you want is the public product URL shown in this search engine listing preview. Finally, paste the link anywhere you want to share it, such as social media, email, or messages. Drop it into a caption or bio on your social platforms. Add it to a campaign, email, or newsletter, or send it in a direct message to a customer who asked for it. For best results, pair the link with a short call to action and a clear benefit like free shipping or a limited time offer so people know exactly why to click. Your customers can use this link to view and purchase the product directly from your Shopify store. It opens the exact product page on your domain, works on desktop and mobile, and keeps shoppers in a smooth checkout flow. And that's it. You've learned the fastest, most reliable way to pull a product link right from Shopify and share it wherever your audience is. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.